Hi guys, James here at Miss Soul Car Finance. If you've got a car on finance and you're worried about the effects that coronavirus may have on your ability to make the repayments, then we've got some good advice for you. Also at the moment, obviously the main priority is to obviously protect lives. But ultimately again, we've got to protect our families, we've got to protect our livelihoods. So we've done a lot of research, we've put together some information that we hope will help you get through the next 6 months and beyond and get you a sort of strategy together. And this is a video that I hope you would want to share with friends, family, colleagues, etc. Because I think there's a lot of people all going through the same issues and same challenges, etc. financially. So hopefully we can give them, them good advice, maybe save them hundreds of pounds, if not thousands of pounds, or take away a lot of that anxiety at the moment, if they can't make maybe the payments on the cars, etc., or where they're going to be in a few months. So that said, at the moment, obviously this is exceptional circumstances. I don't think any of us have ever seen anything like this before. We've got the coronavirus here. It's causing, sort of mayhem to, financially, world markets, personally, families, etc. At the moment, obviously, the markets have crashed. The financial markets have crashed. Values have dropped dramatically. Finance companies are in their crisis planning stages, and many other companies are in their disaster planning stages, which they would only ever do in the event of a war, etc. That sort of type of issue. So what we've done at Miss Soul Car Finance, we've got our team together, we've got all our corporate lawyers together, our finance guys, etc. And we went and spoke to the finance companies, we've spoken to the underwriters, the UK government, corporate lawyers, personal finance specialists, and obviously the motor trade. We've spoke to all our contacts in the motor trade because we want to know, all got heads together, where the market's going, what's happened in the market, disaster planning for them as well. So we've done that, and the reason we've done that is really to give our customers and maybe everybody else out there the best advice that we can give them to get them through the next 6 months and beyond. For our customers, we put together a strategy which involves no payments to any of their finance deals at the moment for 6 months. And we've achieved that by not making any payments, but also no penalties. And more importantly, no adverse effect on their credit rating. Because everybody's looking at that, and that's what they're worrying about. Some people are making payments they can't afford, not knowing where they're going to be, but they're worried about credit ratings and various other issues. As I say, these are unprecedented times. The finance companies and all the other bodies are all making, exceptions to the rule, and the government are helping out that situation as well. The government are obviously helping the finance companies, and the way we see it is we want the finance companies to help the customers. I think that's only fair. As we say, the values on the cars are crashing. The reason for that, there's not going to be demand. So whoever you put the deal together, maybe a year ago, 2 years ago, whatever, for example, last year 2 million cars were done in PCP. PCP is based on the value of the car and the future value of the car. Now, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to work out that is dramatically changing day by day. So whatever the deal was that you got, last year or whatever, car values and desirability is going to be completely different when we come out of this. So it's not ideal. So what we would do for our customers, what we're doing is we're actually looking at the overall package. We're saving them their 6 months payments. We're also looking at their overall package because this is possibly the time, and maybe the best time, just to actually terminate the deals they're in, because some of the customers might be sitting at the end of it with 3, 4, 5, maybe £10,000 negative equity, and it's just going to give them more anxiety, more problems, and bigger financial issues, which really that is what we go out our way to avoid. So hopefully if you want to maybe even share the video with your friends, family, colleagues, whatever, and then you can maybe share some of the links to our website. If you just click the link below, you'll be able to go onto our website and get some information there, maybe see some more videos, get some more information. We'll have our lawyers and everything update as much information as we can as time's moving on and where everybody's position at that current time. So if you go onto the website, it's misssoulcarfinance.com, or you can just get us on our contact number, and we'd love to hear from you, and we'll do as much as we can to help you. So for everybody out there, stay safe and look after yourselves. Thanks.